Hey guys, how's it going? We're 4 wins, well we're 3 wins out of 4 wins, but we're all going to be at Athena and Babekia on the 1st and 2nd of December this year to play for the folk festivals out there, so we're really looking forward to it. So we thought we'd do a little video of a quick tune for you to get an idea about what's going to happen.